As mentioned in the previous segment, Tesla's Optimus robot is not just a technical advancement, but a labor innovation with human-like capabilities. With a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery system allowing continuous 24/7 operation without experiencing fatigue, it addresses the common health issues faced by human workers who often suffer from physical strain and sleep deprivation during regular night shifts. This is where Optimus asserts its utility, with an estimated 7,000 hours of operation a year. The robot is not merely just a working tool, but a technician utilizing AI to detect and rectify issues such as electrical leaks, pneumatic problems, and explosions that humans might encounter. The automation capabilities of the Optimus robot not only minimize the risk of human errors, but also reduce workplace injuries and pain by tackling hazardous tasks safely and efficiently. This not only allows Tesla to achieve significant cost savings in the long run, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process, aiding Tesla in realizing its goal of producing 20 million cars by 2030.